If you do any kind of copywriting at all, then you're going to want to pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you a private video and a recording that I did for a member and a student of our Agency Accelerator program, breaking down and completely rewriting one of their marketing emails for their clients. So stick around for the short video and you'll not only get a ton of insider access and ideas and insights about how a professional copywriter thinks about copywriting, but more importantly, you're going to be able to take these principles that I'm about to share with you and apply them to anything that you want to write, whether an ad, a landing page, or an email like I'm going to show you in this example here. So with all that said, let's dive in now.
Amy, Adam here. All right, let's dive in. So first things first, it's going to take me more than 63 seconds, but I'm going to try to keep this under 5 minutes because I think if I can make some corrections here on the first one, they will apply equally to the rest of it. So starting at the top, what I would do is I would put this in quotes, like for the subject line. So 4 things girl math taught me, because that way it's in quotes and it basically makes it stand out just a little more. I know it's uppercase, but that's only the first letter. So I'd either like cap the whole thing, which I don't like as much, or quote it. Also, I'm going to say this for anyone as well, but I've got this it's like this pet peeve that no one knows about. But the proper formatting for grammar after a question mark, a period, anything like that is single space. So for some reason we were taught, and I was taught this as well. It's like we always add 2 spaces after a question mark or after a period, and that's not the case. It also makes it look a little weirder when it's an email copy. So just that alone will help the formatting. I doubt it'll help conversion rates, but at least I won't go crazy reading them. So we'll get rid of any of the extra spots there. So, hey, contact name, that's cool. Sounds so simple, right? Just move. What I would do is I'd probably, especially because we're diving in cold here, we probably need to provide just a slight more context there. So it's like, hey, Adam or Amy or whoever, it sounds so simple, right? Just move your body. So I'd add that there. Because just move where? Move across the country, move across the state. I want it to be clear as they're reading it rather than have the plot reveal itself after. So this is not it's not a novel. We're not putting in plot twists. It's like we're doing direct response copywriting. So just move your body. Any workout will do, exclamation point. Burn more calories than you take in. And poof, weight loss and dream bod. Math, easy. I might go easy math and keep that all just as one thing. So the math is easy, or easy math, da-da-da-da. But solid girl math tells us that. So it's I don't know if I like solid just because it's kind of confusing to me. It's but actual girl math, but real world girl math, but something like that. Calorie deficits plus random YouTube workouts equals hormone imbalances. So this to me is really good. I just need this to be a little more clear. I don't have edit access. Can I do this? Let me see. Hang on one sec. See if this works. Oh, it did work. Killer. Dismiss. Nobody wants pageless. Okay. Hey, it sounds so simple, right? 1 second. All right. Technical stuff. So 4 things girl math taught me about fitness, weight loss, losing weight, something like that. It's what did it teach me? Hey, contact first name. Sounds so simple, right? Actually, you know what? I'm going to change this even more. If you want to lose weight, it sounds so simple, right? If you want to lose weight, all you need to do is just move your body. Any workout will do. And burn more calories than you take in. And just like that, poof. Weight loss, and dream bod are yours forever. It's just easy math. Weight loss, the dream bod, I might, unless they do put caps in front of that, I might do it like that. Math, easy. Works every time. Except that it doesn't. Because the real world shows us time and time again, because the real world grow math, because real world goes tells us that. By the way, this is the thought process that I go through every time I'm writing these things. Because real world grow math, because here's what real world actually delivers. Also, this is a bit confusing, right? Because it's like we've talked about calorie deficits, but we didn't say it here. So then we're asking them to basically tie these together. So it's like just move your body, random YouTube workouts, calorie deficits. So it's like what I probably need to do is break these into pieces. It sounds so simple. If you want to lose weight, all you need to do is step 1, just move your body. Any random YouTube workout will do. Whoopsie. Step 2. And of course, make sure to have calorie deficit. Make sure to hit a calorie deficit. Make sure to hit a calorie deficit by burning more calories than you take in. So what I would do here, also, any random YouTube workout, I'll underline that, and I might underline that as well, because this way I can tie them in better. Random YouTube workouts plus calorie deficit equals not good things. I'm talking random YouTube workouts and calorie deficit. Random, because equals not good things. If I had more time, I'm already up to like 7 minutes, by the way, and how many words are we in? Where's my tools? We're 92 words in. Let me see. Random YouTube workouts, calorie deficit equals not good things. I'm talking hormone imbalances. Hormone imbalances. Zero reduction on Junkin trunk-o-meter. Anger, frustration, and spiral of hopelessness. Possibly even weight gain? I mean, seriously. I mean, for real? Okay. Disclaimer, grow math can also tell us the calories in your period don't count, so be discerning. Grow math. I mean, again, I'm not familiar with the term, or if it's like an insider term, or if they know it or whatnot. That's not bad. I might just put that in italics to sort of break it up a little bit. But there were some things specifically with regard to the time and cost required to make it happen that I wish someone had popped into my inbox to tell me when I first started my health, specifically with regard to the time and cost required to. So this part's just a bit confusing also. So it's like, but there were some things specifically with regard to time and cost required to make it happen that I wish someone had popped. So it's like, but we also need to be careful to not throw the baby out with the bathwater. Side note, who came up with that quote? Weird and terrible. Anyway, this is me. So you can feel free to like add your own note, or like rephrase that however you like. It's weird and terrible. I mean, all right. Also, I've just been told by my wife that girl math is indeed a real thing. So that is awesome. And that make way more sense to me, but I still like it. Okay, so side note, who came up with that saying? It's weird and terrible. So if it was like my personality or tone, I'd be like, I don't know, I'd find some other weird way to make that weirder. But we can find another thing. Let's move on. But there were some things. But we also need to be careful not to throw the baby out with the bathwater. And sometimes, Google Math makes sense. Or something like that. I need some kind of tie-in to like whatever this was. In fact, hang on one sec. And I wish, and there are a few things that I really wish someone had, when I first started that I really wish someone had popped into my inbox to tell me that someone had told me when I first started, it would have saved me years. Like, I don't know if we're saving them time. Like, I guess that's another topic for another day. But like, are we saving them time or are we getting them results? Like, yes, everybody wants to save time. I don't want to say that's kind of like an overplayed thing because that's one of the most powerful ones. But it's like, that would have gotten me results way faster. The trainer myth. Here are 4 things I wish I knew that would have gotten me results way faster. The trainer myth. You need to tell grandma to get the results you want. So these are interesting points, but they're lacking. Like I need something else other than the trainer myth. Don't hire a trainer. Number 2, random workouts. So it's like the trainer myth. You don't need to sell your grandmother's pearls to pay for a trainer to get the results you want. Affordable trainers are this. This is totally might be wrong for the offer. But like affordable trainers are everywhere, and you can actually. What I might say is like, thanks to technology, these days you can get access to world-class trainers for less than the cost of a latte a day. Another case where girl math works out perfectly. If I got this right, after my wife explained to me the latte purse paradox thing. Random workouts, channel surfing through 1,000 in 1 minute videos, aimless gym sessions, or YouTube workouts with targeted muscle group plans are a waste of time. The real secret is XYZ, whatever the program offers is the real secret. Opt for strategies, not tactics. A targeted intention inside a well-designed plan outweighs spending hours on the treadmill or lifting. Not out for strategies, not sweat, not grinding, not hustle, not something like that. Make it fun and accountable. People do the energy room. Get away. See, this one's providing like tips with it. Also, gotta get rid of those spaces. Okay. In summary, less but strategic, more haphazard over more. More on that soon. But in the meantime, I might not summarize it because first of all, this isn't a summary because like this, we'd have to summarize basically that and this. This is essentially like one key takeaway point. Anyway, more coming soon. But in the meantime, feel free to hit reply and say hi. If you could, I'd love if you could hit reply and say hi. Undershift. Good math quit. XOXO. Custom values first name. Perfect. Cool. Okay. So that was 15 minutes, so that took way longer than I intended. But regardless, I think that's solid. I'm going to just call it Adam's Edits for email 1. I'm going to delete all the rest so it doesn't look like I went through them all. No, I can't. Also, I love images, but be careful when we're adding them in emails because they add like HTML and things like that, which can affect open rates and deliverability and things like that. If it's a good list and people check it, then don't worry about it too much, but otherwise be cautious. Okay, I'll leave that with you.
All right, so I hope you found that helpful. And if you'd like to see a video that's going to show you exactly how to apply these principles and more, but in regards to Facebook ads and how to use them to generate more leads and clients for your agency, well, you can tap or click this video that I've got linked up right here. I'll see you in there in just a second.